how to create an online course in Wix. Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I am going to showing you how to create an online course using Wix. Wix is a powerful and user-friendly platform that makes it easy to create and launch your online course. In this tutorial, I'll take you through the steps that you need to follow to create a professional looking and effective online course using Wix. So let's get started. The first step in creating your online course is to sign up for a Wix account, and after initial sign up you will be brought to my sites, and from here create new site. And then we have to choose what kind of website we are creating today, so I am skipping this step for now. Enter your site name here. You can also write your business name as your site name. And then next. After that we have to choose either to begin with a template or get a custom built site. So for today I'll just go with template. Wix offers a wide range of templates that you can use as a starting point for your online course. You can browse through the available templates and select the one that best suits your need. You can also customize the template to suit your specific requirement. I hope you are enjoying the video so far, so I wanted to take a quick moment to share some tools which we use to create videos and website for our online presence. We are using these tools for several months now, and it has made our life so much easier, and we know it will do the same for you. The best part is if you go through our links you will get a special discount as well. Therefore, please check those products and links in the description of this video. Once you have chosen a template, then it's time to add content to our website, and we will start by changing this name on our home page. So I'll write now. For adding our course into this website, I'm going to add one more page to this website from here and add a page. And then we have to choose what kind of page we want to add into our website. So I'll go with the blank one for now, and I'll name it as course, and done. Now this is a important step for creating an online course, and all you have to do is click on add elements and then search for Wix programs. And click on Wix online programs, and it's free to use for all of its users. Now add to site, and these are just inbuilt courses. For adding your own course, click on manage programs, and then you have to follow the process of creating course. And we have online course, fitness challenge, personal coaching, and nutritional plan, and start from scratch. So I'll choose online course for now, and then next. And then we have template for our courses, but right now I'll create it from scratch. And then next. The name of our course will be Wix tutorials, and then next. Now how should participants complete this program whenever they like or on specific days? So I'm going to schedule my course, and then next. And after that choose the duration. Either they want to start whenever they like or on the same day. So I'll choose specific start date, and then I have to choose the start date and end date of this course. Now our program has been created, but before publishing it we had to make some changes in here, like visibility, price, rewards. So click on edit over here and then basic info, and here goes the program name, category and description, and you can also add a cover image to this course. Once you are done with this information, click on save, and then we will set visibility and pricing of this course. So I'm keeping this course public, but I'm not keeping it for free. My participants had to pay to join, so when I select this option I have to set a price for this course, and then down over here I have number of participants, so I will choose limited, then save, and we have more settings like scheduling, groups and rewards, notification, SEO. So set up everything as you like and then hit back. Our course has been created, and you can also use Wix marketing tools to promote your course and attract new students. Now create more courses as you like, but remember to follow the same process, and once we are done designing pages and creating courses, the last step is to publish it. So now I am going to click on publish, and it's live. Creating an online course using Wix is easy and straightforward. Even if you are just a beginner, but with the right tools and a little bit of creativity, you can create a professional looking and effective online course that engages your students and helps them achieve their learning goals. Hope you guys find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.